Hey everybody, it's Mr. Selfridge. Today is day 7. It's the final day of our Song of the Week. A little bit of a different setting today because we had to set up a special recording session with my good friend Mr. Olson. Everybody say hi to Mr. Olson.
How you doing, everybody?
So this version of Havana is in bass clef. It can be played on trombone. It can be played on euphonium or baritone. What else can play the same notes?
Bassoon.
Bassoon could play this, sheet music, cello, and even tuba. If you're playing tuba, you could play this music down an octave.
And bass.
And electric bass or stand-up bass. So the notes that we need for this song come from a scale called G natural minor, but we're only using the first 6 notes of the scale. And those notes are G, A, B flat, C, D, and E flat. And now Mr. Olson is going to show us how to play those notes. So let's get started right now with phrase 1. Now here's phrase 2. Next we have phrase 3, which is exactly the same as phrase 2. Now we have phrase 4, which starts off kind of the same, but has a little bit of a different ending. Now here's phrase 5. Here we have the final phrase of the song, phrase 6. So there we have all 6 phrases of the song. Mr. Olson played them for you, and hopefully you played along at home at our slower tempo. Now we're going to speed it up to our faster performance tempo, and we're going to play along with our background track. So listen for the click and try to play along. So there you have our song Havana. It's our song of the week. It's our last day of the week. We played it on trombone, and we want to thank Mr. Olson for coming in. Make sure you go to our website, gobando.com, and download the sheet music and the play-along track for this song. The links are down below in the description. Please remember to like this video and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. You'll see more of me and more of Mr. Olson with trombone lessons. So thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice. You can wave too.